Hello friends, you are welcome to the Men's Grooming Products channel. These are shaving essential products some people still use that further include a packet of blade and shaving cream. Packet of blade and shaving cream are deliberately not shown. In this video, you will get to know some of the key features and benefits of the Park Avenue Good Morning Grooming Kit combo of 7 in 1. The first and the foremost feature is that it is a special product that offers a comprehensive range of grooming essentials designed to enhance your morning routine. The second feature is you get all-in-one convenience. That is, the Good Morning Grooming Kit comes with 7 essential grooming products in a single package, providing you convenience and saving your valuable time. You do not need to buy each product individually, thereby making it a cost-effective solution. The third feature is that the kit includes a variety of products to furnish different aspects of your personal grooming. It consists of a Park Avenue fragrance body spray 150 ml, soap 125 grams, shaving cream 84 grams, aftershave lotion travel pack, razor 1 numbers, and shaving brush 1 numbers in good quality travel pouch with the pack. This is all that you need for a well-rounded grooming routine. The fourth feature is that Park Avenue is a well-established and reputable brand known for its quality grooming products. It has a strong presence in the market and has gained the trust of its consumers. The fifth feature is that the grooming kit products offer superior performance, such as a rich shaving cream that provides a smooth and comfortable shave, or an aftershave lotion that soothes the skin after shaving. The sixth feature lies in its name itself. That is, the name Good Morning Grooming Kit infers that the products in the kit are specifically designed for use in the morning to help you start your day feeling revitalized and confident. The seventh feature is that the kit is an appealing option as a gift for some special occasions such as birthdays, anniversaries, or festive celebrations for anyone who values personal care. The eighth and the last feature is that this Park Avenue Good Morning Kit has earned positive reviews regarding the performance, quality, and overall value for money from satisfied customers who have already tried and tested the product. Please visit the product detail page for more information through the link that will be provided in the video description. Thanks for watching the video. Look good and feel great every day and stay blessed. Thank you.